current in key stage 4 year 10 microfarad. Talking about Dubai or Israel. Talking about Nusayba Muhammad. Talking about Aisha. Talking about Fahima. Talking about Fatima. Talking about Udo. Talking about Ashiru. Abo. Talking about Panti. Wow, how are you all? Wow, hope you're all learning well. Welcome to this wonderful online learning with Teacher Jan in Agric 408, Agric made easy. Alright, come along now with the exercise books, with your pens, and with your open minds, and let's learn. Okay, let's play with this a bit. Aha. Okay. What is this? When you see this, as you're seeing now, what is it that is coming to your mind? What is popping into your mind? Yeah, rain, sun, yeah, cloudy, yeah, stormy, okay. Weather, somebody said weather, okay. Alright, that was a brain teaser there. Okay, so that is taking us, has brought us to our topic. And what is the topic? Good, environmental factors affecting agricultural production. Talking about meaning of climate, factors of climate, and also the importance. Okay, let's go on climate. When you hear the word climate, what comes to your mind? What do you think climate is? Yes, Aisha, I'm listening to you. Yes, Dubai, come on. Nabila. Yes, Fatima. Okay. Alright, you've all tried. Now let's read what I have here. Can we all read it? Good. The average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. Over 35 years, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and all that and above. Good. Take note of this. Over a long period of time. The average weather condition of a place over a long period of time is called climate. It's called what? Climate. Good. So what is the climatic condition of this part of the country that we are in? Okay. 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 We have more months of sunny days than the rainy days. Okay. Okay. Climate here is hot. Okay. Alright. Climatic factors. Those factors of climate. Let's look at this. You can see these droplets. What is this? Ashiru? Rain. Good. So rain is also a climatic factor. Good. Second one. What is this going up and coming down? Fahima? Temperature. Good. Temperature is a climatic factor. Good. And then you can see the trees bending. What do you think is making them to bend this way? Yes, Udo. Wind. Good. You're all wonderful this day. Let's go on. Number 4. Panti, relative humidity. Nice. Number 5, Abo, pressure. Good. And number 6, what is this? Nabila? Sunlight. Good. Fatima? Sunlight. And this is light. Light is also a climatic factor. Is that sticking? Good. Isn't this interesting? Okay. Now, importance of climate. How important is climate to us and also to agriculture, or to us as a nation? How important is it? Number 1, it affects the soil formation of an area. Of course. The soil formation of an area is also being determined by the climatic factors or the climate of that place. Okay, because the soil has to also uses time to change from the state it is or used to be after it's been formed newly to gradually at different states. Okay, now number 2, it affects the duration of a cropping season. Of course, like the rain has started now, many persons minds are now in the farm to start farming. And when the rain is season or going up, what will they do? They will all cease up farming. And then once the dry season comes, the harmattan, then their minds will be towards harvesting. See? 3. Good. It determines the yield of crops. Good. Period whereby we have a good rainfall or good sunlight. Good. We'll have good yields. And we'll have shortage of rainfall or inadequate sunshine or inadequate humidity and all that. The yields will be very, very poor. Let's read together. Good. It limits the type of crops to be grown in an area. Good. Number 5, it also limits the type of livestock to be reared in an area. Number 6, it also affects the distribution of vegetation in an area. A place or a location that has a very good number of months that it rains will have thick vegetation, greenish vegetation, than a place that has just a shortage of rainfall, or that the rainfall is not that adequate, but followed by long duration of sunlight. Okay? Good. It affects the distribution of vegetation in an area. 7. It determines the yields and productivity of livestock. Yes. 8. It affects the incidence of pests, and also it affects the what? Incidence of diseases. Good. An area that has enough rainfall, enough months of rainfall, okay, will attract diseases such as tsetse fly, and with tsetse fly will give diseases such as trypanosomiasis. Okay, all right, that is sleeping sickness, both in man and also in animals, and also will the incidence of pests will be high on our crops. Is that taken? Is that taken? All right. You guys have been very, very wonderful to this lesson. Continue to be wonderful as we continue. Now, an assignment. And what is the assignment? Good. Climate is a crucial factor in the agricultural production of the nation. True. You'll agree with me. So number 1, what we expect you to do is to clearly analyze climate. 1B, evaluate 8 importance of climate in agricultural production of our nation. All these you will be able to answer because you have paid keen attention to the lesson, and I urge you all to continue to pay keen attention to all other lessons and continue to learn very well, okay? Don't mind the distance, don't mind the lockdown, just open your heart and continue to learn. Don't forget that NET and One Mother of Science School love you all, okay? So love.